Just look at that. Thousands of stars.
Millions.
Billions.
Trillions.
Zillions.
Quillions.
There's no such thing as quillions.
How do you know? Pippa, can stars go out? You know, like being switched off.
I don't think so.
Well, why are they disappearing then?
I think it's a cloud. A big, black cloud.
Oh! Hey!
I think we'd better go inside. Bye, Rabbit.
This is fun.
I think we'd better find some shelter. We've got to get out of the rain.
Where?
You go that way.